Hello everybody, it's Maya here and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I am going to be doing a slime smoothie. And this is my second one. So yeah, and I've got this slime that doesn't fit in the container, and the reason it hasn't dried out is because I just made it now. And yeah, I've even got cloud slime this time. And last time the slime turned out blue and like a darky blue colour. And I'm excited to see what the slime will turn out this time. Oh wait, I've got another tiny slime and another slime. Okay, so I think the time is going to be turned out black because I've got some more black. And I've got some black here, to black there. But we'll see. So yeah, we'll make it in this. Don't think I'll add this one later. This will be the base. This black side. So let's move these slimes away. Okay. We have this black butter slime. Oh, I think it's going to turn into a butter slime. It's going to be browny black. So yeah, let's spread that out. I love making slime smoothies. This is going to be a smaller one. Right, time for this. Ooh, that's how it looks like. I'm going to try to make layers. I don't think this is going to be enough. Next, I'm just going to add this on. And I'm not adding my store-bought ones. Okay, so that's that. Now I'm gonna add this one. How does it look? It looks pretty layery. Okay, it doesn't matter. I'm just gonna blob them at places now. I'm going to put this black one in the corner. Let's put another black one. Okay, I can't open this. That's no good. Okay, moving on to the ones in my red pots. Let's add this orange one. Let's add some of it in the middle of the black. I'll create an artwork. Okay, so I'm going to create something. So yeah, I'm going to leave some, put some for the painters, and then just blob that on top. Time for this. I'll just use this one big petal here. Let's just put that there, and then there. Okay, so I've done that. Silver slime, that's how it looks. I'm trying to make a flower here. Ooh, just 4 more slimes. There we go. And now just make that into a petal. And then 1 more slime to complete my flower and my slime smoothie. And this is my most buttery slime. Oh, here's my flower. See? And then that's just a blob of colours. Like it. Now I'm going to mix it, the best part. I've got all these pots to make my other slime. Let's put this, I think, wow, this is amazing, but it's going to be black for sure. So my next, okay, it's going to be probably black. Like a grey colour. A grey, brownish, black. Oh, there's some pink. I think the last slime smoothie was more appetizing than this one is. But, yeah. Okay, so I've got this all mixed together. It is a good batch of slime, as you can see. It is great. It's still got tints of the colours of the slime. Can't really see it. But yeah, there is in real life. So yeah, it's really good. I should have. Wow, I love slime smoothies. So this is slime smoothie number 2. How do you like it? Okay, so thanks for watching my video today on Maya's World. Please click like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.